Hi everyone, welcome to AI Food Photography Tip Friday. Today we're going to go over how to create recipe content for your food and beverage brand. So let's just say that you're a company that sells Greek yogurt. Here we are in ChatGPT. I'm going to ask it to give me 5 recipe ideas that are fall themed using Greek yogurt. Let's see what it comes up with. Pumpkin spice Greek yogurt parfait, butternut squash soup. So there are a few good recipes here. Let's say I want to continue with the pumpkin spice parfait. Give me the recipe for number 1. Now you can create parameters here. You can say you want to make sure that it's 15 minutes or less, or 5 ingredients, whatever it is, you can include it in here. But for now, I'll keep it simple and I'll ask for that recipe. So it'll write the recipe for me pretty fast. Text-based stuff is pretty fast in ChatGPT. Now make sure you test the recipe, right? You want to make sure it works before you serve it to your audience and they make it and realize that the content is not legit. Looking at this recipe, I think it looks pretty good. Let's say I want to add fresh berries to the recipe, because I can already tell just from a food photography perspective that all of these colors that are happening in here are going to be pretty dull, and I want to add some color to it. So let's say we want to add fresh berries. Now, let's say I tested this recipe, it looks good, it tastes good, it works. Now I want to generate an image for the recipe. I'll say generate a realistic photo of this recipe, do not include text. I'm putting that because I generated an image before it included text and I do not want that. Okay, so here's a photo. So it looks pretty good. It has a lot of good color. The styling looks good. It gives me some inspiration for how I want to style it, because I'm not actually going to use this photo on social media, because as good as it is, it's still AI and you can tell it's AI, or many people can. I think over time, more and more people will be able to spot these things as well, just because there's something overly perfect about these images. So just like when you call into a company and you get an automated message or a machine, you're going to be less engaged than if you're connected to a real person. So there's something that's just not superhuman about these images just yet. I'm sure it'll get better over time, but the point of this is not that I'm going to take this image and post it on social media. I'm going to take this image and use it as inspiration. So I like the different layers here. I like how there are little bowls for the ingredients. I like that they integrated mini pumpkin here and fall leaves, because it's very on brand for the theme that we're going for here, and the rustic wood table as well. Take what you like, leave what you don't, iterate if you don't like it. For example, if your photography style for your brand is more bright and airy and soft, then ask it to change the lighting. Say make this image brighter, or use hard light, or whatever it is. Now I'm at a stage where I need it to write a caption for me. I can do that as well. So I can say write an engaging caption for this post for Instagram, include hashtags that target. Now this is where you would include information about your target demographic, your ideal customer profile. So maybe it's moms between the ages of 25 to 45 that live in cities, let's say. There it is. There's a caption. There are some hashtags that you can use on Instagram. So take everything ChatGPT does with a grain of salt. Make sure you review it. Make sure you revise it if needed. Check the hashtags. Make sure everything looks good. Don't just post it as is. But as you can see, you can take this pretty far. You can have ChatGPT help you with a lot of different things when it comes to content. But the most important part is that not that it does everything. It's that it creates a good foundation that you can work off of and inspire you when you are doing the creative work and when you are putting your personality and the human element into it, which is what's most important. I hope that helps you create content for your CPG food and beverage brand, and I will catch you next week on AI Food Photography Tip Friday. Bye.